Hey guys, today I changed my my Simplex pole station back together, and yeah, but my fire alarm right there, but I got a special surprise. I made 2 of the Simplexes. I built it, but the keys were here, the key thing. So I got 2 of the same things, and they do pull down, and this one pulls down as well. And I found a new key too could be on it, because it's better than not like my other one. But I can add something else to it like this. So I could put it in and just do that. But I just wanted to do this instead, like a key. And yeah. So both of the keys, if you feel this one, I will put something right here too. Maybe something right there. Probably not. I don't know. But yeah. I hope you like it, and yeah. So I'm gonna pull it, and dang it, one piece broke. But actually, the fire alarm is supposed to be like that. You're probably wondering, what will do that? I don't do that. But yeah, put 3, 2, 1. Merp, merp, merp. Uh, uh, uh. Uh, uh, uh. Alright guys, I hope you like the system test, kind of, and yeah, I hope you like it. Bye.